Hi everyone, I am Lanka Jayaratna. You are warmly welcome to our educational YouTube channel. I am back here with another new lesson for you. In this video, you are going to learn how to answer Cambridge GCE O-Level past paper questions under the topic of fractions. This video is ideal for the students of grade 6 to O-Level. Now let's move. Question number 1. Write 23 upon 5 as a mixed number. Here you are given an improper fraction and you have to change it to a mixed number. 23 over 5 is an improper fraction, so you have to divide its numerator by its denominator. Divide 23 by 5. How many 5s are there in 23? Then you should know multiplication table. 5 into 4 equals 20. That means there are 4 5s in 23. So write 4 as the whole number. Then 23 minus 20. Then 3 remains. Then write the remainder in the numerator. And the divisor 5 write in the denominator. Then children, so answer is 4 3 upon 5. 4 3 upon 5. This is a mixed number. So this is the way you have to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. There you should divide numerator by the denominator. Question number 2. Work out 3 upon 8 divided by 6. In this question, you have to divide 3 over 8 by 6. 3 over 8 is a proper fraction, 6 is a whole number. 3 upon 8 divided by 6. Then you can write 6 as a fraction by dividing by 1. Here 6 is a whole number. You know that any whole number can be written as a fraction by dividing by 1. Then you get 3 upon 8 divided by 6 over 1. After that, we change division into multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of divisor. You can watch this very carefully. So we change division into multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of 6 over 1. It becomes 1 over 6. You should know here we do not change the first fraction. 3 over 8 remains the same. We change only the divisor. 6 over 1 becomes 1 over 6. Then you get 3 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 6. Here you have to multiply these two fractions. When we multiply two fractions, we can simplify where possible. In this question, both 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. Then you can divide them by 3. Then divide 3 by 3, it is 1. Then divide 6 by 3, it is 2. After that, we multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Now you get the simplest answer, 1 over 16. In this way you can follow all the steps. 3 over 8 divided by 6. First you can change this whole number to a fraction by dividing by 1. After that, you change division symbol into a multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of divisor. Then you simplify where possible. Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, and you will get the final answer 1/16. Question number 3. Work out 2 upon 3 minus 1/5. In this question you are given 2 upon 3. It is a mixed number. So before you simplify, you have to change it to an improper fraction. So when we change a mixed number into an improper fraction, first we multiply its denominator and whole number. So 3 into 2, 6. Then this number is added to its numerator. 6 plus 2, 8. Then we write 8 in the numerator. Divisor 3 remains the same. So when you change 2/3 to an improper fraction, it is 8/3. Then you write 8/3 minus 1/5. After that we have to subtract these two fractions. So when we subtract fractions, we can equal their denominators. In the first fraction, denominator is 3. In the second fraction, denominator is 5. Then you have to find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. After that, you can change 3 into 15 by multiplying by 5. Then you multiply first fraction, both numerator and denominator, by 5. In the same way, you can change 5 into 15 by multiplying by 3. Then you multiply in the second fraction both numerator and denominator by 3. Now you can simplify. 8 into 5, 40. Then 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 40/15 minus 1 into 3, 3. 5 into 3, 15. Then 3/15. Now you get 40/15 minus 3/15. Now their denominators are the same. When their denominators are the same, you can simplify their numerators. And 40 minus 3, 37. Then denominator 15 remains the same. Then you get a fraction 37/15. This is an improper fraction. Then you can change this to a mixed number for the final answer. Then we divide numerator by the denominator. How many 15s are there in 37? So you have to remember multiplication table. 15 into 2 equals 30. Then you write 2 as the whole number. Then find the remainder. 37 minus 30 equals 7. Then write 7 in the numerator. Then you write divisor 15 in the denominator. So this is the final answer, 2/7/15. Then you can check the answer again. 2/3 minus 1/5. First we change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8/3 minus 1/5. Then when we subtract fractions, we have to equal their denominators. So we multiply both fractions like this. 8 into 5 40, 3 into 5 15, 1 into 3 3, 5 into 3 15. 40 over 15 minus 3 over 15. When their denominators are the same, we can simplify numerators. So 40 minus 3 equals 37, then 37 over 15. As this is an improper fraction, we change it to a mixed number. Divide 37 by 15, 15 into 2, 30, then 7 remains. So remainder in the numerator, divide the 15 in the denominator. So the final answer is 2 7 over 15. Question number 4. 4 upon 7 minus 1 upon 3. Evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. When we subtract fractions, we have to equal their denominators. In this question, denominators are 7 and 3. So we can change 7 and 3 into 21. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So in the first fraction, both numerator and denominator can be multiplied by 3. In the second fraction, both numerator and denominator we multiply by 7. When their denominators are the same, we can simplify their numerators. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Denominator 21 remains the same. So the final answer is 5 over 21. You can check your working. 4 over 7 minus 1 over 3. So when we subtract two fractions, we have to find their LCM. Here the denominator is 7, the other denominator is 3. So LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So we equal these two denominators by multiplying like this. In the first fraction, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. In the second fraction, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. Then you get 12 over 21 minus 7 over 21. When their denominators are the same, you can simplify their numerators. 12 minus 7, 5. Then answer is 5 over 21. Question number 5. 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. As usual, when we subtract two fractions, we have to equal their denominators. Here denominators are 5 and 3. So both denominators can be changed to 15 because the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. In the first fraction, both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 3. In the second fraction, both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 5. Then we get 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 3, 15. 12 over 15 minus 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 5, 15, 10 over 15. 12 over 15 minus 10 over 15. Both denominators are the same, then we can simplify their numerators. Then finally, 12 minus 10 equals 2, denominator 15 remains the same. So final answer is 2 over 15. This is the simplest answer. I hope you are fine with our explanations. Please keep watching our videos and practice regularly. See you again with the second part of this video. Good luck.